Today is February 2nd, 2011, Groundhog Day. And here we see the groundhog of Twin Lakes. Does she see her shadow?
No.
She did see her shadow earlier today. So I think we will have 6 more weeks of winter.
Ready?
Ready, wait.
Ready?
Okay, groundhog.
It's like, wait, what's the temperature outside?
Temperature is 18 degrees Fahrenheit. With the
And
wind.
there's like 3 feet of snow. Ready?
Ready. Take a dive. Face first.
Hang on, I'm scared. Ready?
Face plant.
Dad, you're condoning this?
You can do that.
Dad, I'm not getting... Dad!
I'm taking a movie. I can't help you.
I hate you. I hate you. I hate you.
That wasn't my idea. Oh, wait, don't take your clothes off. You're still being videotaped here. Where are you going?
Upstairs, I'm freezing.
Come on, go on again. Bye.